Okay, let me see if I still know the road to Lakshman Jhula. Damn, I am forever and ever spoiled by the desert. Everything is too cold for me now after the desert. It was my perfect temperature. I want the heat back. India, turn on the heat, damn it. I have no words. I am so happy to be here. There's a monkey standing in front of me over there. So you should see my camera, little monkey. This is exactly what I needed after all of the traveling, being sick. I just need to be in nature, I need to do yoga, I need to meditate and be peaceful. And then when I go to Delhi, then I'm just looking at the monkey, I will enjoy it more. I think if I would have gone to Delhi now, it would have been too crowded and I wouldn't have enjoyed it. I'm so happy. And they put up, I think, no, it's not LED lights, but they just like the cables, and it's so quiet. I think last year I was here right after Diwali and a lot of people were on holiday. Look. These lights weren't there last year. I think these were neither. I love it. Whee! Oh my god, Ganga, I've missed you. You beautiful, beautiful water. I don't think the fences were painted last year. It was good. Some people ask me in the comments where you can drink the best masala chai in Rishikesh, the one I had last year. It's over there. I think it's called, what is it called? Ganga Beach or something? Ganga Beach Cafe. And you cross Lakshman Jhula and then you go to the right and then you need to take those steps down. And the cows make me so happy. You're so curious, aren't you? Hello. With a little kiss. No. Oh, look, a baby cow. Ooh, this one's big. Oh, hello. And that cow actually just came out of the store. This is still the best spot in my opinion because of the view. Even though the food is super western and overpriced. But yeah, best masala chai still. So delicious. And I ordered some non-western food for the first time in India. I ordered some tacos because I was really craving that. And apparently I'm also going to eat with knife and fork since I came to India. Really good. I was so craving this. It's a good day when the Wi-Fi gods decide to bless you. Feeling blessed, man. Feeling blessed. I am uploading even Sunday's vlog now. Feeling very blessed. Can I pet you? Yes. Oh, you're like a puppy. Oh, no. If you would like to travel along, click that subscribe button. And if you like this vlog, put a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye.